Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna be changing the key fob casing on this Toyota Verso. So this is from year 2003 to 2009, and it's a similar type of key for most of the Toyota models, i.e. Corolla Verso, Toyota Avances and RAV4 and some other models. So the reason we are changing is because of the button pad has come off. Okay, so to start off with, we're gonna pull out the key. Okay, then with a flathead small screwdriver we're gonna push it here and then slide the cover like this, and then once that's done we'll have to undo these 4 screws. There we go. That's 1, that's 2, third one, and the 4th one here. Right, in order to open the main casing I'm gonna insert the key here and then gonna force it open. There we go, that's how you open it. Okay, that's how the battery comes out. There we go, that's the main circuit board. Nice and easy, simple forward. Okay, so this is the new key fob casing which we got from eBay for £5. There you go. It has come with the new screws. So we're not going to use the new blade, the key blade. We're going to be using the old one, just like that. Okay, so that's how it is. So in order to open it, so you're going to slide the screwdriver in here. That's how we open it up. That's how we're going to open the casing. So the circuit board goes in here. Like that, sits in like this. The battery we're gonna slide in from here, just like that. Right friends, now that I've transferred most of the components into the new shell, the most important component to transfer from the old key fob casing to the new one is the chip here. This is the immobilizer chip. Without this the car won't start, so you have to transfer this from the old casing to the new one, and this is where it sits in. Okay, just like that. Very important component. Just gonna close the shell now. There we go. So it just clips in like this. Just gonna make sure that the light comes on. Yep, it's working. As you can see, the red LED comes on. So now we're gonna put this cover back on for for the battery. There you go friends, that's the last screw to go in. Nice and easy, simple forward procedure to change the key fob shell. Okay, and now we're gonna put the back cover, so it slides in like this, and then what we do is just like that, simple forward. So we're gonna stick to our old key blade. We have an option of getting the new blade cut, but in our case we're just gonna use the old one, which is good to use. It will slide in like this. There we go friends, job done in no time. Thank you very much for watching the video.